Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a suit jacket. Before you begin, proper preparation is key to a perfectly pressed suit. Always check the care label for fabric type and specific ironing instructions. Use a clean ironing board and a pressing cloth to protect the fabric. Fill your iron with distilled water to prevent mineral stains, and adjust the iron's temperature setting according to the suit's material. This ensures a safe and effective ironing process. Now, let's tackle the main body of the jacket. Start by laying the jacket's back flat on the ironing board. Use gentle, even strokes, moving the iron in one consistent direction to avoid stretching the fabric. Next, iron the front panels, being careful to avoid direct contact with any buttons. Finally, smooth out any wrinkles on the lapels using a pressing cloth for a crisp finish. The sleeves and shoulders require a bit more attention. For the sleeves, insert a sleeve board or a rolled towel to maintain their shape and achieve a crisp finish. Iron from the cuff towards the shoulder, being careful not to create new creases. Then, carefully press the shoulder area, shaping it over the end of the ironing board. Use steam to relax any stubborn wrinkles on these curved areas for a smooth look. Once you've finished ironing, the final touches are crucial. Immediately hang the jacket on a padded hanger to allow it to cool and set properly. Gently brush the jacket to remove any lint or dust particles. Allow the jacket to air out for at least 15 minutes before wearing it. Finally, store your suit in a breathable garment bag to maintain its pristine shape and keep it ready for your next occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.